Commercial paper is a short-term debt instrument used by large corporations. Let's look at how these companies borrow money without going to a bank. At its core, commercial paper is essentially an IOU. A company promises to pay back the investor the principal amount plus interest after a short time. Unlike a long-term bond, commercial paper matures quickly. It's rarely issued for more than 270 days, which keeps it exempt from certain registration rules. Companies use this cash for immediate needs like meeting payroll or paying for inventory. It is often cheaper than taking out a standard bank loan. While bonds are for long-term projects, commercial paper is strictly for short-term liquidity. Because it's unsecured, only the most stable companies can issue it. As you can see, commercial paper sits on the very short end of the maturity spectrum compared to treasury notes or standard corporate bonds. Because it's so short-term, these are generally viewed as safe, cash-like holdings rather than high-growth speculative investments. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to save this video and subscribe for more finance basics. See you in the next one.